Hello everyone. This 2 BHK rental flat isn't just a space. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Step into comfort, convenience, and class, surrounded by top tech parks, schools, and shopping zones. This home offers the perfect balance between work and relaxation. So, if you're looking for that ideal blend of city buzz and homely comfort, you're in the right place. Let me show you around. Wake up every morning to this beautiful view. Welcome to your future 2 BHK rental home right here in Mahadevapura. This is the spacious master bedroom, with 2 clean and well-maintained bathrooms, one attached to the master bedroom and one common, fitted with geysers and modern fixtures, well lit with natural sunlight pouring in through the large windows. Plenty of ventilation, and there's enough space here for a king-size bed and a wardrobe. Here's the second bedroom, perfect for your kids, guests, or even your home office. Again, lots of light and fresh air, with a peaceful vibe. Located in Mahadevapura, just minutes from IT parks like Bagame Tech Park, metro station, railway station, schools, colleges, shopping malls, hypermarkets, and hospitals. Super convenient for working professionals and families alike. This flat is part of a basic apartment with 24/7 security, lifts, water supply, parking, and power backup. If you're looking for a peaceful, convenient, and budget-friendly 2 BHK in Mahadevapura, this one might be your perfect match, and it's a ready-to-move flat, available for both families and bachelors. Bonus, there's a lovely balcony attached, great for your morning coffee or even a small garden setup. Now check out this modular kitchen, compact but fully functional, enough storage space, and ideal for a small family. Cooking here is going to be a breeze. Now let's move into the living area. It's designed for comfort and family time, a cozy spot to relax after a long day, or binge watch your favorite shows. And now the important part. The rent for this beautiful 2 BHK is just $30,000 per month, with a security deposit of 1.2 lakhs, available for immediate move-in. If anyone interested in this flat, please contact this number, or WhatsApp this number. For rent details and site visit, contact J Rental Properties. Follow for more rental home tour in Bangalore. See you again next video. Bye.